Alright, just want to make a quick video. Just picked up another project. This is I think it's an 18-foot trailer. I'm guessing 18 by 6. Looking at it. As you can see, it's on 3 wheels. So what happened was bearings blew out and that shaft got rubbed down, so I gotta get a tap and die, rethread that shaft. But it looks like there's plenty of thread to start with, so I think it'll be pretty easy. So that's why it's being sold. Of course, the wiring is gonna need redone. Wires dragging, shit like that. Deck is pretty good. Gonna clean it up probably. Put some more lights on it, coat of paint, fix the ramps. Overall, pretty good shape though. Tires are brand new, have all 4 tires. Said the tires were new. They look pretty good. I know, seem to be holding there. Says the battery box is new. Says that's new. Whether it is or not, doesn't matter. It was a landscaping trailer. That tire holds there. Gate's kind of fucked up. Just straighten some metal on that. 2-piece gate, which is cool, I guess. Tire is there. Tire has there. Bunch of bungee cords with it. Oh, that light works. Look at that. Got some lights on it. High quality wiring right there. That's all gonna need redone. Chains seem to be dragging. That's fine. I don't know if they're tied together. I've never seen that. That's wild. I might bungee those up. Overall, not bad. It's hard to get trailers that are, like, this is pretty rust free. So, yeah, it's not bad. Gate needs some work, needs some paint, but it's a good project. Needs a bearing. Pretty happy with it. Tahoe's doing good towing it. Let's see if we can find. It's a 7,000 pound trailer. Cool. Got a title with it out of Pennsylvania. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes. This will be part 1 of this project. All right, so we're working on the new project trailer, 16 by 6.5 foot. Remember I showed you the spindle was kind of messed up. The thread's messed up there. So I grabbed the die set from work. It's 1 inch die, 14 threads, or TPI threads per inch. So what we're gonna do is take our tap wrench that we borrowed, tighten it up, and spin the die on. I gotta find the. There we go. So because the end wasn't messed up, it's really easy just to chase the threads. We'll run it all the way to the end. Bottom it out, we'll back it off. There you can see that spot went way smaller. We take our nut that I also cleaned out using a tap. .114 tap. Take that. And now our nut fits on perfectly. So the original problem, why this was sold cheap, is now fixed. Gonna change the bearings, re-grease everything. I'll run this on all the other threads because I'll clean it up, make it look nice. And we won't have the issue on any other wheels. But yeah, going forward, gonna test the brakes. See, it's awesome brake wiring right here. I might actually be able to reuse the wiring. We'll see. I'll just clip these ends and all these, cut out all these extra parts. See, I had to bungee cord it driving home because it was dragging. But yeah, that's fixed. Gonna, like I said, rethread all the other ones, clean them up while I have the tool home, and then I'll be good to go. So I'll get in the next video. All right, quick update on the trailer project. This is the 16-foot quality trailer, 16 by 6.5. So pulled off all the wheels, all the hubs. Gonna replace all the bearings because these are bad. All the brakes are gonna be replaced because all the wires are broken. You can see all the seals have been out of the brakes for a while. Fixing the wiring for the trailer or for the brakes. So like these come from these white and black right there tied into the test light. Come from the other side. I'm gonna replace those. Working on sanding the deck down with the angle grinder. I'm not gonna replace this wood, but this will help give it a nice, easier to sell looking wood. I'm gonna paint, took all the crap off that was bolted to it. They had hooks and blower holders and junk. This wiring's gonna need fixed. I mean, that's okay. Tape and who knows what's under there. These white, blue and black wires are the new wiring going from this axle to this axle for trailer brakes. All the lights on the trailer work, so I'm just going to change those out because they are broke, but the wiring's good. You can see I came in here, replaced the trailer wires with these solder connectors because they all had the T-clips. They were garbage. So I'm going to replace all those. I'm going to replace these ones I have going into the axle, but these are actually going to run across the axle. I'm doing that because on that axle, the wires going back were broke and didn't get connection, so I'm going to redo that. These two are tied into the trailer brakes. Fix the spindle right here. I'm going to stick a new hub on. You can see all these are in pretty poor condition. The grease is bad. The wires are broke and everything's junk. Took the gate off. There's some crap holding it on. Gate's in pretty good shape other than the mesh. Gonna get new mesh for it. Tires seem to be okay, but just doing what I can cheap, and we'll change out the bearings and the seals and fix the lights and everything will be good. Hopefully not have too much money in this trailer and hopefully sell it for a good amount. But just want to give an update. Sand, paint and primer and crap off down, not all the way, but just clean it up so it looks nicer. That certainly looks better than that. So I just want to do a quick update. You'll get another update here in a couple of seconds. So keep watching. All right, working on the trailer again. Ordered all new bearings and seals and actually new brakes for it too. So cleaned up these hub rotors or hub discs, drums, I guess you call them. Pressed out all the bearings and all the, so I only had two seals and four of the drums. Does that make sense? Two have been replaced without seals. They're different. These are the original Dexters. These are some aftermarket ones, but they're fine. They're fine. There's plenty of life left. Spray them down with some oil until the bearings come in. Now I'll take some brake clean and clean up all this rust, keep them from rusting. Bearings are shot. Seals were leaking, so just knocked them all out, starting over. But yeah, got these cleaned up, ready to go. Parts should be in today or tomorrow. Pack the bearings, put the seals in, put new brakes on. We'll be good to go. So yeah, get back to you soon. All right, so I'm doing the bearings on these now. I got my bearing kit from Amazon. These seem like pretty decent bearings. Driving in the new races, I changed all the races because I just want all brand new stuff. Using a bearing driver seal kit, also from Amazon. Going pretty smooth. So gonna do the inner race on the back, inner race on the front. I get my grease out and re-grease or grease the new bearings and slap these together. And then I think our brakes should be here soon, tomorrow maybe. And we can start putting the wheels on back together. We'll go from there. All right, next update on the trailer project. Got the lights mounted up. Marker there, marker there. I have this box in the back. So you have tail lights. These are just tail lights, not the brake lights. Have all the wiring done brand new. Have it tied into the new junction box. Just jumping it with test leads from the new battery with new leads. Everything's clean. Switch, ground. It's pretty clean. So yeah, I'll just do the update on the wiring. Everything's loomed. If I go there, and I'm gonna touch the brake lug, you'll be able to see back there. Oh, that's not working. Oh, this one. There you go. And you see that brake light. And then you see that brake light. So those are turn signals and brake lights. Got the running lights. Quick update on both sides. So I got to put the new brakes on and clean it up. We'll be good to go. Finish sanding. But just want to do a quick update. New lights are on. Alright, quick update on the trailer. I got all 4 brakes on and wired in. And I'm sticking the hubs and the bearings back in. Making sure the grease good. You can see all my wire connectors are solid. I'm just going to zip tie that up so it's out of the way. It'll be good. The other side's already done. So technically this trailer's a roller again today. Lights work. I tested the brakes by pulling the disconnect switch. Everything works. So yeah, just a quick update. Gonna stick this back together. Bought some paint today, so we're gonna sand and paint the rest of it. Lights are good. I'll be about done. So quick update, but you know, gotta keep working. All right, we're out here working on the trailer. Got some Rust-Oleum Gloss Black farm implement paint. I'm gonna start painting some of the not so easy to see places. Still have to finish the deck. We can throw the wheels on, lights are done. But just gonna take it slow, start painting, and see how it turns out. You can see before, pretty crappy and rusty. I don't know, I'll get an aftershock, but this is what we're starting with. So, spent a couple hours doing this. All right, it's a couple hours later. Got the paint on. I don't know how good it looks on camera, but this gloss black turned out really well compared to what it was. I mean, it's still like micro scratches behind the paint, but pretty good for a trailer, man. A couple more spots I'm gonna do tomorrow. Only used like 1/8 of that can, so we'll see. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Gonna let it cure and do some sanding on the wood, put tires on, and take some pictures. Maybe try and sell it. So quick update. I think came out pretty good, pretty good. Yep. So I'll see you in the next clip. All right, quick update on the trailer. Got the deck all cleaned up. Some oil stain there. It's not perfect, but I think it looks way better than it did with all that crappy paint on it. You see the black paint looks pretty good. I might put more on. I don't know. I've been sanding so much, it got a bunch of dust on it, so I might just need washed off. Maybe it'll rain this week. The gates, I ground off all the welds from the expanded metal and gonna stick those back up there and paint those. I've been just grinding all day with the angle grinder, and it's been kind of a pain in the ass, but it's starting to come along. Gonna paint real quick and throw the wheels on. I think I should have a good good trailer, ready to take some pictures and sell it. So yeah, quick update. Gonna paint up the gates and go from there. So stay tuned. I'll get some final shots when it's all done. All right, just gonna do a wrap-up video on this trailer. I got it pretty much finished up. Gonna list it tonight. See, the gate came out pretty well. I'm not gonna do the expanded metal. It's good enough for a gate for a mower or something. So I'm just gonna leave that. Deck came out awesome, I think. Paint came out good. Lights came out good. I'm really happy with how this came out. It's a good project. Got my buddy Frank's electrical circuit tester thing. It's pretty cool. All new wiring. Everything came out. Everything works. Jack's still in good shape. Anyway, I'm gonna do a quick video before I sell this. It's a good trailer. It was a fun project. I'm over it. Need something else. So it's probably gonna be the end of this video. Gonna list it for 31, I think, 3,100. I have about 1,400 into it. I don't know my hours. A lot of hours, so probably not making that much money on it, but it's fun. It's better than something else. So I don't know. Good project. On to the next. Thanks for watching.